the wind her body flows. Down the stairs now, here she comes. I didn't know.
Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Big Fish Aquarium at Gardens by the Bay. So here we go guys, stay with me, enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, Big Fish Aquarium.
Chat ka na lang kapag ka-off mo para ano. Sige tayo ang apat tayo. Sige ate ko na. Hindi mamaya na ako. Sige tayo muna.
Hi guys, this is the Big Fish Aquarium. Yeah, look at that big fish guys inside. It's really huge. It's amazing guys. It's beautiful guys, look at that. And this is the pig-nosed turtle. Yeah, this is the pig-nosed turtle guys. The pig-nosed turtles, unlike any other species of freshwater turtle, its flippers resemble those of marine turtles, while the nostrils at the end of the fleshy snout gives it its common name. And this is alligator gar. Alligator gars are various ambush predators using their powerful snout and long sharp teeth to hold the prey. Red-tailed catfish. This is Paco. They are beautiful and amazing, guys. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. Thank you guys. See you in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Bye guys. I love you. Take care.